When I'm ready?
Whenever.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome to Real Simple Cooking School Outdoor Edition. I'm your teacher, Dawn, and today we're talking about everything you can do on your grill, but specifically we're gonna make the one, the only glaze you're gonna need all summer long. You're gonna make it once, you're gonna make a big batch, and you're gonna use it on chicken, on ribs, on hot dogs, on burgers, on whatever you like. Here's how you make it. Okay, so this glaze you can make with pretty much stuff you likely have in your pantry and your fridge already. We've got some tomato paste. I like the double concentrated kind that comes in a tube. Some balsamic vinegar. This will help also give it great color. We've got some honey. Nice runny honey. We've got a little toasted sesame oil. And some crushed red pepper flake. Now, the crushed red pepper flake, optional, or you can use a little and you could use a lot. And then a decent amount of salt. And then just give it a good stir. I'm gonna switch to the whisk just to make sure I get everything really nicely emulsified. And there you have it. The good thing is there's nothing weird or raw in the sauce, so you can even just use it as a dip. But we're gonna use it as a glaze today. So here I have a beautiful chicken and a beautiful rack of ribs. So like I said, we can use this glaze sauce, whatever you want to call it, raw, but I'm gonna finish these things, give it a beautiful shellac, but you just want to add it like the last 5 minutes on the grill. And that heat's gonna just slick it on, make it stick to the meat and make it super sticky and delicious. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give the ribs and the chicken a nice brush on both sides. We'll do this side, we'll flip it and glaze the other side. And then carefully as I can, I might actually use 2 tools here. I'll use my spatula to steady myself and my tongs to get under and just give it a flip. Nice. Same thing with my ribs. Now, these ribs are super tender, so I want to be really careful. They tore a little bit, but that's okay. It's just a sign of superior tenderness. And then we're just gonna glaze the other side. These brushes are also good because you can get in the nooks and crannies. But in a pinch, you could use a spoon. I mean, that looks so good, I might stop and take a picture. I'm gonna go ahead and turn these guys back over. So the glaze on the one side should have had a chance to, ooh, look at this, nice. We've got like some beautiful charred bits, some nice caramel color. We'll try and be careful with my chicken because it's the best looking chicken really I've ever grilled. Looks so good. And we just have to give it like a few minutes, let that glaze reduce, and then we're gonna eat it. I'll see you right back here in 2 minutes. I'm just gonna pull these off the grill. They look pretty awesome. Right onto my board. Nice. And you can see that glaze just like bubbling away. And then you've got a little extra sauce that you can either brush on right now, or I think what I'm gonna do is serve it on the side. Okay, my chicken looks amazing, my ribs look glazed and awesome. I'm just gonna carve them up and plate them up. The nice thing about ribs is also like they show you exactly where they wanna be cut, which is right in between the bones. Got my chicken, just separate the legs. So juicy. Maybe we'll just go on the same mixed grill here. Right down the middle. Now you may need to put some of your back into it, but it's been on the grill for long enough that it's so tender. And then I'm just gonna have the breast this way, so someone doesn't have like an embarrassing, I took too much moment. Make a big batch, use it all summer, but just get outside, do some grilling, let us know how it goes. I'll be outside all summer, cooking right here. I can't wait to see you there. So long.